Let's first take a look at Phase 1. Phase 1 is all about getting your data into Foundry and joining it together. First, create a new project called Capstone Property Operations. Inside of it, make a raw folder and upload all the CSVs. Then you build two pipeline builder transforms. The first one is a four-way left join. You take maintenance jobs and join it with properties on property ID, then tenants on tenant ID, then technicians on technician ID. This gives you one enriched table with rows that has everything you need for the scheduling dashboard, such as job details, property address, tenant contact info, and technician name. The second pipeline is simpler. A two-way join of property visits with maintenance jobs on job ID, giving you enriched visit rows. After each pipeline, create a new branch, deploy, and verify the row counts. Navigate back to your project root. Search for Pipeline Builder and select Create New. Then follow along the steps to name it and add Foundry data. Then configure the joins step by step. Of course, you can do other transformations too. Then right-click the final node, add Output, and select New Dataset. Name it and create a new branch, or use your existing branch. Select the output and click Deploy Pipeline. In the next video, we will introduce ontology and how the other pieces will sit on top of this.